Hey everyone, it's me Prod, and this is the first episode of the second season of making 4K intro stuffs. And today I'm going to do a little bit of improvements, and I can hear myself, and it's horrible. I will do little improvements on the code from the last intro. Mainly, I'm going to remove a separate step for the second step of the roughness blur, and I will scale down its resolution a bit. And I also would like to do the area light stuff, but we'll see if I'll have time to do it today. So I've made a copy from my last project. As you can see, the lighting looks basically the same, but I've removed entirely the geometry and made a simple box, a simple floor, and a simple sphere on it. I can actually make sphere a little bit bigger so it could touch the floor. Yeah, something like that. And I also have time control here, so I can do some things with media controller here, like some movements here, and yeah. So what I'm going to do, I won't go into much details of how this works right now, because you can always watch my previous streams, mainly the 37th two-part episode on how it was made. I explained the entire architecture of my the entire rendering pipeline here. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to go to the tool and the video code, which is still hard coded, so I don't have like text file control of it, but I think that I will be making it real soon. And I will remove this step. I will remove this step, and I will remove all references of it, and this I won't need also, and this stuff I won't need. And one more thing that I think I need to do here is okay, to do it faster today, I think Привет, Sasros. I think I'm going to do this separate array of texture sizes. Gekkarka, привет. Or let me think how to do it better. So this is how I initialize passes, and yeah. So I need to change size, texture size in here, basically only for the blur texture, and yeah, I will also try to do the same thing for the depth of field textures also. And I will need basically changes to make changes to the size here, and I will also need to change the size. No, that's the only place basically, because the paint here, well, it does set up this thing here, which is I think that this is only used for the output. Yeah, this output specific thing And yeah, so there's no other where uniforms use it for the viewport size. So okay, I think I will then do it as I did with the basic code for the intro. I will remove these. Yeah, I will just open the C sources of the thing here and go to init texture and basically copy this function here. Somewhere here, for example. Well, I don't need... Oh, okay, I will do it like this. And then I will copy this thing here. No. Okay. I can do then like that. I think I can close this stuff for now. Yeah. And then focus on this. Okay, and I also will need to do this here. I'm just replacing those arrays with the explicit texture setup. And then I can do this. This is the CMP, which is components. This is pixel type. This is data for their that will be used by the noise texture. And I think I will add this thing here, which is repeat. Yeah. Or maybe I just could not repeat, but yeah. And then I can do... Basically, I can Sasundur high unit texture unit. Okay, I still need this thing today for doing like texture unit stuff like this. I'm too lazy to change this code, and then I basically can remove all these things. Textures. And this will repeat, and for all these textures which end with this thing here, I will append gel clamp to border. Yeah, something like that. And then for this entire thing here, I will need to do texture G texture S, I think it was called. Yeah, G textures. And then I can do, so they have different names. Yeah, text random primary blur. Well, I don't have blur 2 anymore, so I can do this, but I will need to fix these indexes here. And then I can do like this. I can tell it to lower the resolution. Yeah, I still need to fix this texture noise. This is texture remarch primary. This is texture remarch reflection. This is texture remarch reflection blur. This is texture remarch combined. This is texture of top near. That is a near one, and this is texture far. And at this point, it should at least compile, I think.